This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Retrieve Permission Rights node. If you don't know what a Retrieve Permission Rights node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the Retrieve Permission Rights node. Let's begin. Drag a Retrieve Permission Rights node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. This should be the device for which you want to receive permission event rights for, also known as the controlling device. Click on the Event drop-down menu and then select the event for which you wish to receive event permissions rights for. Wire this node to a debug node if you wish to see the output of the node printed on the debug sidebar. Otherwise, the output from this node can be passed into another node in the flow. Next, drag and drop an inject node into the Node-RED workspace. Wire the inject node to the Retrieve Permission Rights node, then double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Alter the information in the inject node's Properties slide-out panel by selecting the drop-down Payload field and choose the string type. Enter the permission event type in the blank field. Click Deploy. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the inject node to send the input from the inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Great work! After watching this tutorial, you should understand how to use the Retrieve Permission Rights node in runtime mode. Up next, you'll learn how to use the Retrieve Permission Rights node in interactive mode.